I'm making this video for the lift pump for the LMM, LML2 I guess, and LBZ and before. This is a 2008. It's got a Fass 150 titanium lift pump. It's about $612. It's a good pump, very universal. Has the 1/14 spin-on filter thread. On this side, not this bolt here, but behind this comes from the tank. This is mounted right next to the tank. The tank's kind of behind it when you mount it to the truck. It goes this way through your water filtration first. This actually says fuel filter / water separator, but this is your main water separator here. It gets you confusing kind of because it says water separator here when you think this would be strictly fuel filter. This tube here already has a fitting on it when it comes out of the box. This goes to your tube for you fill your gas. That's your overflow. This here, this top portion, that little bolt there, is for your fuel pressure. If you run a line or a gauge on it, I guess you could look under your truck if you just ran a strictly gauge. And that right there, you put a fitting on and goes to your engine, which is a quick disconnect on top of the tank. It's a good pump though, and you can run these 2-micron cap filters on it, which it looks pretty good. I don't know, some people don't like stuff showing, but I think it looks good. And they run 20 to 60,000 miles. So I'm guessing to change them, but I'd probably change them every 10,000 miles. Most OEM filters, the AC Delco for this truck are rated at 7,500 miles, but I like my stuff super clean. And this is the big boy, 0749. This is your water separator. You can see how it has the twist on the bottom. That's a 172949 175. And this is the smaller of the 0749 1R0750. I got a couple of them. I also run a 25-pound magnet on the bottom of the filter just to keep all the metal particles that are coming out of the fuel tank at the bottom of the filter. I don't know, it might be stupid, it might not, but you never know. Diesel's real dirty. This is how it's set up. You can see here it's all a bolt on. It says in the manual what you really need to do, but it bolts onto that piece right there, that bolt. That's the main hanger there. It has a rubber fitting under it, then a rubber fitting between that. You can see it squished, and it sits in here pretty nicely.